What is up, guys? It's Simple Weather here, and today we will be reviewing the snowstorm that's coming tomorrow. So comment down below, where do you guys think the target of the snowstorm will be? And yeah, let's get straight to it. So guys, looks like we got two low pressure centers over Oklahoma and southern Canada. We already got snow and ice, some snow in the Rockies, and Nebraska, Minnesota. We got a lot of ice in Minnesota by 6 a.m. Looks like it's going towards Wisconsin and like Michigan and Illinois. So yeah, let's take a look at 12 p.m. Looks like by 12 p.m. here, the two low pressure centers have moved together, and we've got a relatively strong low pressure center of like 996. And we got a lot of heavy snow in the upper peninsula of Michigan and Wisconsin. We got some rain and heavy rain and ice moving in Arkansas, Missouri, and Illinois. We got a lot of ice actually coming in northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. This could be a threat potentially because there's some pretty cold temperatures coming in. So yeah, let's look at 6 p.m. At 6 p.m., it looks like we have some pretty heavy snow with a low pressure center of 994, which is pretty low for a snowstorm. And we got heavy rain in southern Illinois and surrounding areas. We got really heavy snow, like pretty much the whole Wisconsin, the upper peninsula of Michigan, and northern Illinois. The ice has moved on and it turned kind of into rain and snow in the between. It looks like it's heading towards the lower peninsula of Michigan and Ohio Valley in New England. Yeah. Let's take a look at 12 a.m. Okay, so here at 12 a.m. we got a low pressure center of still pretty 995 I mean. We still got heavy snow going on for the upper peninsula of Michigan. Now moved on to the lower peninsula of Michigan, which is all snow pretty much. There's still some snow in Wisconsin and northern Illinois. Looks like there's a lot of heavy rain, like to the south of Indiana, and yeah, looks like it's going towards New England. We've got rain and snow in Ohio, and yeah, let's see. Take a look at 12 p.m. on Friday. Looks like we got a really low pressure center of 984, and looks like most of the heavy snow and rain has moved on to New England and Georgia, South Carolina, the Carolinas, Virginia, and we've got some like wintry mix, so rain and snow, like Pennsylvania, and yeah. Let's take a look. At Saturday. Okay, so by Saturday the storm's kind of cooled down. There's a really low pressure center above Canada, but it mostly moved on. There's some probably lake effect snow still over the upper peninsula of Michigan and lower peninsula. And we've got some light to moderate snow over Maine and in New England. And yeah, let's take a look at the snowfall totals for the storm. Okay, so here are the snow totals. So in the green areas, you're looking at about like 1 to 3 inches. In the blue areas, 3 to 7 inches probably. In the red areas, we got about 7 to 12 inches. In the yellow and like orangish areas, you're looking at about 12 to 24. And yeah, so this is for the whole storm. Looks like the main target is the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, probably because of that lake effect snow later on. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at the warnings right now. Um, we got some winter storm warnings in the Upper Peninsula, and in the northeastern part of Wisconsin, and a little bit of winter storm warnings in western Illinois and Iowa. But the red areas are the blizzard warnings, where there will be blizzard conditions and visibility will probably be low at on the roads. The purples are the winter weather advisories. Those are less severe than the winter storm warnings, but you should still keep an eye on them. I'm pretty sure there will be some warnings or advisories in New England. As we saw, there was a lot of snow in New England, so those are gonna probably come. Okay, let's take a look at how confident of the storm I am. Okay, guys, so I'm about 8 out of 10 on the scale here. For the storm, it's less than 24 hours away, and I'm pretty confident it will be happening. The snowfall totals and the radar pretty much agreed. So I think the snowstorm will probably happen. Okay, guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and thank you guys so much for watching. Good night.